Here's your pivot points. Okay. Oh, oh boy. Look at all of that.
Ooh, what is it?
Oh, they're guns.
Oh my, they are.
You know.
Huh.
There you go.
Huh.
Will they rotate out? Yes, they will. Look at this.
Wow.
I want to drop. I don't know what these are, but this must go out this way, and this one is free spinning always. Turn it around. Look at those guns, huh?
Wow. Well, I've never seen that car. And the Air Force, no less. Right?
Isn't that something?
That is something. That is an imagination land device
Right.
for sure. Now, can he close it without breaking it?
Right.
Put it back the way we found it.
There's one side.
Woohoo!
There's the other side.
Nice. Wow, how cool was that? Thank you, sir. Wow. Neato. Neat, 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 neat. Woohoo! This is so exciting. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. The dark shadow. Oh, poor little feller. Am I even looking at you? Poor little feller is missing some feet. Oh, he's way too light. He's got no heft. He's seen better days. He's got no hookups. Poor little feller. He's more for looking at. Okay. Oh. Nice. Burlington Northern, the Western Fruit Express. Ooh la la. Tell you what. Okay. The Rock. The Rock. Okay. Has all its ends. Oh no. Oh, this one's hefty. Something just fell off. Oh, it's got a hefty bottom. Look at the corrosion on these trucks. That's crazy, but it's got the trucks. Okay. Santa Fe all the way. 2 trucks, the Grand Canyon line. Nice. A big old piece of metal. Put that in the building supplies. What do we got here? Open. Oh, Chesapeake, Ohio. Trucks are good. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, it's heavy. Yeah. Oh, look at the little pusher. It's so cute. Oh, you got a little. What you got on the front there? Oh, my little baby pusher. Oh, he's even just got pushers in the back, or is that the hookup? This is an interesting kind of truck system. What are we looking at here? Nice. Well, we shall have some fun with that for sure. Such a cute little feller. What's next? What's next? Yeah, we'll just pull this out. This is not really that much fun. Keep going down here. What do we got? Oh, nice little another flatbed. Erie. You got chucks on both sides. Oh, that's actually pretty hefty. That's cute. Western Atlantic. Ooh, look. Getting a little racy. What else we got? Yeah, I like putting the weights in there. They're loose. Okay, but all the trucks are here. Okay. What's that? Wow. 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 Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that in there. This is some classic. Is that a light or is that just a jewel? I don't know, but this thing feels like the whole thing is cast iron. The whole thing. This is incredible. I'm looking forward to breaking into this guy and cleaning and oiling that up. That is just an amazing. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, check it out! Look, there's another one. Oh man. Got here. Little handrails, a little out of whack. Different type of coupling system. No coupler in the back. Okay. Oh, what does that say? That says Bachmann China. There you go. That's the AT and SR. Okay. See if this goes on the back of that, possibly. Right. A lot of times this pin goes in. Alright, let's take a look at that. Yeah, here's the other sealant. Put that over here. 2 of those. Kokar. Nice. Well, if that isn't the cutest little thing you ever did see. It would go that way, right? Yep. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy.